Hi Becca, it is Mrs. Olson. I thought I would make a video to provide feedback for the Global Encounters test. So the number on that is 1.9.1. So what I've done is I have copied and pasted your submission into a Google Doc here just so that I can write on it and provide feedback that way. So the first thing that I see or notice after I read both paragraphs is that both paragraphs are about the Magellan voyage. So the first circumnavigation of the world. All right. So that's not a bad thing, but that there should be two separate paragraphs, one about the first circumnavigation of the globe, and then one about a very separate example, event or explorer. So where I put here suggested format, we've got first circumnavigation of the globe and then the voyage of Columbus. If you don't want to do the voyage of Columbus, you of course can do something else. All right, so just sticking with this one, I noticed that you have a lot of the information that you need in the very first paragraph. So what I would do is combine a lot of the middle details, if you will, into one paragraph. For example, starting from here, well, probably the whole paragraph here, now that I scan it again, should go in the middle of this paragraph. This is describing the voyage, which is fantastic. You have a lot of details that explain where they started, what happened to them on the voyage, and also what they did and what they when they got back and what they brought back right here to Europe. Okay. So that answers all of this. And then your last sentence in the first paragraph is really going to get to here. Here's what I mean by that. With these spices, they used it for food, preserving meat, and more. So they actually were able to get other European countries the experience but with the spices, because those spices were sold to other European countries and they were then able to preserve their meat and do more with it, like you said. Your very last sentence reads, no one set sail to circumnavigate the world for at least 3 more years until someone was brave enough to do it. So that would be your last sentence in the one paragraph about Magellan. I do encourage you to add, and I'm going to write it down here. So add another sentence at the end of the one paragraph that explains the impact of the voyage. Okay. You might say something like, the first circumnavigation of the world resulted in other European countries, thank you Google, sending out their own explorers to locate spices and other goods to make them money. Something to that effect, okay? So that is the end of that. So just to recap, you want to combine your 2 paragraphs and make sure that it's organized as far as the beginning. Keep this as the beginning. Most of this is going to go in the middle of your paragraph. Keep this as one of your last sentences and then add one more sentence or 2 that explains the impact of Magellan's voyage on other European countries. Okay? I hope this helps. If you have other questions after you watch this video, please write me back through the inbox. Good luck, and I'll talk to you later.